you want to see how I received these bomb results using the Emerge products from Target, I want you to go ahead and stay guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Traylene Danita. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. And to all of my regulars, I truly appreciate you for always tuning into my videos. And of course, if this is your first time, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, so I got something new in today. New product alert. Product alert. And so I'm here to give you all the details on this new product line called Emerge. Have you heard of this? I have never heard of Emerge. Yes, this is a new product line. It is actually based out of Target's backstory. I'm browsing through the hair aisle and I noticed some products. Girl, I was like, who is Emerge? You, where are you from? So I went straight to Google. I said, what is Emerge? And of course, I'm gonna go to YouTube. I want to see all of my sisters bringing me the details on Emerge. It was hardly anything there. So I'm doing the market research, guys, for people like me, like you, who wants to know all about this new product. So I ended up getting the Emerge It's Not Happening sulfate-free shampoo. I got the Emerge Deep Conditioning Revive Back to Life hair mask. I got the My Everything Buttercream. It's a curl definition and softening buttercream. I also purchased the My Main BFF Leave-In Conditioner. And as you can see, the packaging is really, really nice. It's very clean, very cool. Oh, and also, I don't want to forget, I purchased the Style Goes gel. So ultimately, I purchased all of the products because for me, when I'm trying out a new product line, I like to pair them with the same line of product to see if I'll get a better result. So that's why I ended up purchasing everything. These products were $6.99 each. So if it doesn't work out, I won't feel bad, sis. Okay, I've spent a lot of money on like one small bottle of shampoo, like $25. So if this doesn't work, I'm not gonna be mad, but I'm praying for the best. Now, look at the size of this thing. The fluid ounce is 16 fluid ounce, and the conditioner, the cream, the conditioner, they're in this container. This is 15 fluid ounce. That is a lot of hair product, guys, for $6.99. So I'm not mad at you, Emerge, whoever you are, whoever your mother is. Okay, I'm not mad at you. So I'm going in. I'm going to show you guys how it works on my hair. I'm praying for the best. I'm going to be using everything except the gel. I would probably use the gel if I were doing like a wash and go or something like that, but that's not the style I want to go with. You know, it's quarantine and chill time. You know, we are currently in the coronavirus like shutdown, so I am in protective care mode, so I'm not really doing any wash and goes or anything. I am going to do a full wash day with the shampoo, the deep conditioner, the leave-in, and then the curling cream. So those are the products that I'm going to use today.
So I'm washing my hair in sections as I always do, taking that shampoo and using a generous amount because I want to see how much of a lather it actually creates in my hair. And the smell of it is really, really clean and light, which I really, really like. So yeah, I've used a generous amount and I'm just raking that shampoo all the way down to my tresses, making sure I massage that into my scalp and pulling the product all the way down so my hair is really clean. So I'm repeating the shampoo process, and I noticed on the second time around, my hair got really, really soapy, and the lather was just on point. My hair felt really, really clean without it feeling over dried or stripped, which I like. Then I'm following it up, of course, with the deep conditioner, taking a generous amount of that and just slathering that all over my hair and breaking that down all the way to my ends. Working that deep condition all the way down and then repeating that process throughout my hair.
Alright guys, so I've already washed my hair using the shampoo, and I deep conditioned my hair in the shower. I figured that'd be the best way for me to work the products into my hair. It's been just kind of like towel dry, and these are the results with no problem. I had major slippage with the deep conditioner. Oh my god, I was pleasantly surprised. What I'm gonna do, and what I always do on wash day, is that I follow up. I don't care what product line I'm using. I use the LCO method. If you are not familiar with that, you can check that out in my previous week video. I'll leave a link down below. Either L lock method or LCO method, which stands for liquid, oil, and cream. I use that consistently in my wash day, so I'll be doing that today. Now, in my LCO method today, I'm going to be using my Aloe mix. This is my DIY Aloe mix. If you are not familiar with that, you can definitely check that out as well. I'll leave the link down below. Following it up with my DIY oil. I have not done a video on this, but if you guys want to see a video on my DIY oil, please leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get that up to you. And let's get into it. So I'm just going to take my hair in sections like I always do, and I'm going to spray that with the liquid. I mean, my hair was just washed, so it's not totally dry, but I always like to saturate it with the Aloe mix. LCO method, the C stands for cream. So for cream, I'm going to be using my main BFF leave-in conditioner. So I'm taking some parts of that. And y'all, this stuff really has no fragrance. It's really no fragrance at all. It's almost like a consistency of like a light body lotion. I'm just like, interesting. So I actually do a generous amount on my hair, regardless of what product I use. So I just work that in. Alright, now that I've worked that all in, guys, I'm then gonna follow it up with my oil. So what I do with my oil, normally I put it on my scalp and I just rub it in like that, and I squirt it like a generous amount, and I'm giving myself a massage. Now this is part of like my wash day routine, so I do this every time I wash my hair. So this is not different from the Emerge, but this is just what I do. Alright, and then from there I just kind of give myself a generous amount of oil all over my hair, dousing it. It might look like a lot of oil, but it's not. Like, after I do my LCO, I do not put any more oil in my hair after today. Like, so to me, it's not a lot. Once I work that all the way through, I then just kind of twist that up out the way, and then I just do the remaining parts of my hair. So now I've applied the LCO method using the BFF conditioner. And what I'm normally do, I don't go right into my styling. I like to let these products, these layering of product melt into my hair strands. So let this hang out in my hair for a few hours. Then I'm gonna come back and style it with the cream.
Much later.
So now that my hair has absorbed all of that product, and this is just from the lock method, still very moisturized, damp a little bit, but not overly damp, which I like. I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with my everything buttercream. Recommending you can twist with it, bounce with it, braid with it, just don't underestimate it. Okay, that's exactly what it is. So I'm going to be using this now. I'm just applying this. This is going to be my styler. I'm not going to add a gel, anything. I'm just going to use this alone. And I'm just going to do 4 big twists because I want to see how much definition I'm going to get. So some of that. And this is the consistency. It's very light, not heavy. It almost feels similar to the deep conditioner. Like the consistency is about the same. So I'm taking some of that and I'm working that on my ends because I want my ends to, get the definition. I'm gonna start out like this and taking that twist. And again, y'all, I am not the best flat twister. So I'm starting out and I'm just taking each piece and grabbing it and twisting it. Taking a piece, grabbing it, and twisting it. Taking a piece, grabbing it, and twisting it. I'm going to try to do 4 big twists. So we shall see, guys. What I like to do when I twist my hair is I like to put it in a bandsaw just to hold it so it doesn't unravel, and that kind of sets the twist. So yeah. Move on to the next part of my hair. Okay guys, I am on the last section of hair. I'll let this hang out like this for about a day, and then I'll unravel it and let it air dry some more.
Much later.
It has actually been a couple of days. Actually, a few days later since I put these little 4 twists in my hair. My hair still feels really moisturized. And with my twist outs, I like to unravel like that. So I have that tightening. So here we go. Oh wow, guys, look at that definition. Okay, emerge. results, guys. I love them, and my hair is going to get bigger as the days go by. I don't want to overfluff it, but yeah, I just want to show you guys the definition on my hair. This is what it's looking like. What do you think? Like, I'm impressed. All right, Emerge. You can get my $6.99 every time. Every time. My hair feels so moisturized, like the definitions on point. My hair is bouncy. It still has that light scent in my hair. Even after the few days that my hair was in twist, I still can smell the essence of the shampoo. Like I said earlier, I mean, of the products, like I said earlier, it's a really light scent. It's not heavily fragrant, so, but I still smell it. It just smells fresh. I can't really describe it, but yeah. I am going to try the Emerge products for the wash and go. Let me know if you want to see that, if you want me to try the gel out for you guys, and I'll try that for you. Comment below letting me know. But yeah, these are the results, y'all. What do y'all think? Y'all like them? I do. Yes, I'm going to be cute in my quarantine. Quarantine hair. Would I buy Emerge again? Yes. Should you try out Emerge? Yes. For $6.99 products and the amount of product that you get, you can't go wrong. Even if it was a bust, like, you couldn't be mad at that. But listen, Emerge gonna get my $7 every time. And while you're under quarantine, you can actually get these products because they're available at Target. And as you know, Target is considered an essential location for groceries and things that we all need. So sister, get your life. Go get you some Emerge. Spend $7. Okay? And get these results and be cute while you quarantine. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button too. And comment below. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, until next time.